This guy.
Do not shine that light at me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wow. Hiss, hiss. The claws came out. I didn't even know the light comes out, dude. Anyway, this is Washington Street, Indianapolis, Indiana. I've been coming back and forth for years. Okay, mainly what are they looking for? Like the bumper, right?
Just any scratches that go through the paint.
Okay.
And any dents that are bigger than a quarter.
Okay. So like underneath too? So that's mainly what they're looking for, like bird poop and...
No.
That's not what they're looking for, in other words, yeah. Again, something small like this, that's there already. Is that incidental, or is that...
Are you talking about the...
Well, you can see it, see?
Yeah, it's on the other side, too.
Okay, oh, that's normal, okay. And are they looking for the interior too, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Leads off on Rizzi's first pitch is swung on a miss. We were talking about high stolen bases in one game. What do you remember about that night?
High stolen bases. Marty Patton was pitching, and the other guy was Kenny Sanders, the relief pitcher. And I had both of their moves down pretty good, so it was quite easy that night.
Yeah, you did make it look pretty easy. And as I said, 52 stolen bases for the season. I don't know how much baseball you watch, you can tell me, but stolen bases aren't quite as much a part of the game.
No score, top of the fourth inning. Royals going for the sweep. So far, a pitcher's duel. Keller steps off the rubber. Keller 6'5", 230, still 22. Royals got him in the Rule 5 draft.
Kansas City.
Hey, what's up?
Not my first time. Hello. So you're the juggling man that needs a ride to Indiana. Good deal. Good deal. Craigslist. Yeah, Craigslist is funny. You meet a lot of good characters. Meet a lot of good friends. Some others you kind of not so much, but
I don't use Craigslist a lot, but
I know, there really is no... Dude, I've been looking at my app and everything. There's literally no rideshare app that's worth a damn.
Right.
Seriously, there literally isn't.
It's the only thing if you're trying to find...
Dude, that is such an opportunity for an entrepreneur, some sort of web developer, to do a freaking rideshare.
People have tried to do it.
You would kill it.
They've gotten sued.
So what is the legal ramifications of that? Why can't you just fucking do it like Facebook? Just do it. Just make an app.
I don't know the details.
Don't know the details?
But I know that some people have tried to make rideshare apps and they have gotten sued. So...
Cool. In the old days, you do the pit stops at the fucking way stations and the horse stables and shit. I got my own little TV dinner. We got a 15, 20-minute break. Got my laptop here, check my emails. So we started from Wichita, Kansas, making my stop here at KCK, as they call it, Kansas City, Kansas. Final destination, Indiana. Got a ride share that's going to help with my car rental. It's a good thing because... I'm just bleeding from the you-know-where with the fucking rental costs, dude.
Let's see if the internet serious.
So you are ready to go. How long are you get? It looks like you're ready to like camp the whole summer.
Oh yeah,
like half the country.
I'm gonna do a few months and probably take a break at some point.
Know how that is.
I think we might have your Wi-Fi.
What part of Cali were you hitchhiking?
She picked me up south of San Francisco. I was south of there. Okay. I don't remember how far south, but I've been hitchhiking all
So you were
day.
hitching on the 5?
I think so. I don't remember. Honestly, it's been years. I'd have to look. I'd have to look at a map, but so she picks me up. She's pretty decent looking, you know. She tells me she's a lesbian, so I don't hit on her.
Okay.
You know, and I don't hit on like female rides that pick me up anyways, because I think it's kind of disrespectful, you know. That if a single woman to pick up a big guy in their car, you know, they deserve a little respect.
Okay.
So anyways, she gets out and we're gonna like smoke some pot and drink, and she's gonna let me give her a massage. You know, I've got like one of my mats out and we're next to the beach in California.
Right,
and I'm giving her a back
the
rub.
yeah,
And she just kind of like pulls her dress up and like shoves her ass up and it's like, here we go. And so we end up spending the night together.
That is a good play, man.
Probably half a dozen or more times.
Does that mat that you have that I think I recorded, does that get you a lot of play? Because that was funny because it was like Pavlovian. It's like
give a massage.
Right, exactly. Yeah. It's like I'm sure that when she saw Matt, it equated to like fucking like sex.
Maybe.
Like it just that's what
I
it was.
Think she wanted
it's
it
like
anyways. I mean, honestly, like she really like I started giving her a massage, you know, and I'm kind of horny, and she just like shoves her ass right up into me.
But I think it was like a catalyst. Like
it was.
Like you would have without the mat, but I think the mat expedited it. It made it a little
importantly, the mat let me give her a massage.
There you go.
That's a big. You know,
so
that's
a good. So as far as we're gonna put this under tips, like on my YouTube tips, like what do you suggest if you're trying to get some pussy and
you're hitchhiking?
Like what's your get up? What's your game plan? Which is
probably not to be hitchhiking.
Don't
if
be
you want to get laid.
But we've already established like you're gonna be hitchhiking. So like what's the?
I mean, really, the main thing is not to be aggressive. Like, if a woman's picking you up and she wants sex, she's gonna let you know. Like, it's really like you don't even have to try.
Right.
Like, it's.
But if it's like a little bit of
come off as.
But if it's like a little bit of gray area, then your style was just be subtle about it, and you work the mat into it very subtly. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. And you just let the sparks fly as nature does. Fuck yeah!
We got drunk, smoked some
Congrats!
pot,
Congrats! And you got to point B too, right?
Right.
Speaking of points, you got from point A to point B.
Oh yeah, she actually took.
So you grew up in KC, and you've only been to St. Louis a few times, huh?
A couple times, yeah.
What do you think of it? 2018. Sucks ass, huh?
It's got some nice architecture, but there's just too many. It's too dark for me. I'm scared of the dark. You see.
I got you, bro. It's too dark. It's a little spooky, huh?
There's a lot of spooks, yeah.
A lot of spook, huh? I catch your drift. It is just so run down.
Which is funny because one of my best friends I've been talking to this whole time is a black chick. It's not like I have a problem with black people.
I got you.
I know that black neighborhoods are probably not where I want to live also as a white guy.
I got you. No worries, man.
You get it.
I get what you're laying down. I think we passed the arch. Well, that's the whole fucking show. That's St. Louis, man.
Yeah, that was
we passed the show. That's the whole fucking show, man, right there. This fucker is gonna make this day. You are juggling at 2 a.m. in the morning at some guy's house that you just met, and you are anxious to show off your skills. So if you're that good, I gotta fucking document it. Looks like you're pretty good, man. That'll make you some money.
Okay, well, that's some 3-ball. Now we can pick up some more. Yeah, these are all the newer ones. So you can see I've worn in the red ones more, but then I have another set that's newer that'll last
like
longer.
Fucking testicles.
But when they're
like
more
red testicles, dude.
When they're more worn in, they're easier to juggle, I guess.
That makes sense.
But they also will then eventually wear out.
There you go. There you go. Hot dog in it now. Look at him. The flip.
Ball mill's nice.
Good shit. Good shit. Like that. 2 a.m. juggling routine. I like that shit.
Right there is not.
That light right there.
I'm gonna look this way.
Yeah, maybe it might help. Look at that. Look at that trajectory. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Going all out, huh? Hey, save that for the street, man. Clap, 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 clap. This guy.
Do not shine that light at me.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wow. Hiss, hiss. The claws came out. I didn't even know the light comes out, dude. Anyway, this is Washington Street, Indianapolis, Indiana. I've been coming back and forth for years. Never has a guy juggled LED balls at 2 a.m. on Washington Street. Lord, take me now. I've officially seen it all. This done beat everything.